Hi, I'm here. This is Due Diligence for Investors. And today, we're going to be reviewing an innovative product called Niagen IV. This is a pharmaceutical-grade intravenous formulation of nicotinamide riboside chloride, or NRCl, which is a precursor to a molecule called NAD+. NAD is a critical coenzyme involved in cellular energy metabolism, DNA repair, and overall cellular function. In this brief overview, we'll cover the mechanism of action, market potential, and access considerations related to Niagen IV. Let's start with mechanism of action. Upon administration, NRCl is rapidly converted into NAD+ through the NRK1 pathway, thereby increasing intracellular NAD+ levels. This molecule plays a pivotal role in supporting mitochondrial health, enhancing metabolic processes, and promoting cellular repair mechanisms. Notably, NRCl's efficient cellular uptake makes it a more effective strategy for boosting NAD+ than direct NAD supplementation, which faces challenges in cell permeability and stability. Clinical observations indicate that Niagen IV significantly raises NAD+ levels in the blood, which are associated with improved mitochondrial function and reduced inflammation. Moreover, it demonstrates improved tolerability and a shorter infusion time compared to standard NAD+ for therapies. Typically, NAD for therapies involve prolonged infusion times ranging from 30 minutes to an hour or more, whereas Niagen IV can be administered in as little as 15 minutes. This not only enhances patient convenience, but also improves treatment throughput for clinics. Now let's discuss market potential. As of 2025, Niagen IV is reportedly available in nearly 600 clinics across the United States, signifying strong market penetration and adoption by healthcare providers. Consumer demand for NAD+ enhancement therapies is fueled by growing interest in wellness, longevity, and age-related health optimization. Niagen IV is well-positioned to capitalize on this demand through its clinical formulation, which targets metabolic health, cognitive performance, and cellular rejuvenation. Moreover, the product has favorable safety profile and shorter infusion time compared to other NAD therapies make it a compelling choice for both clinicians and patients seeking NAD-boosting treatments. Lastly, we'll touch upon access considerations. Niagen IV is manufactured by FDA-registered outsourcing facilities and meets current pharmaceutical compounding standards. It is based on an ingredient that has been granted GRAS status for oral use, supporting its safety profile. Currently, the product is available only through prescription and must be administered by trained professionals in clinical settings. It's important to note that while Niagen IV is not yet available over the counter, oral nicotinamide riboside supplements are widely sold. The IV formulation's greater efficacy may justify its clinical use. However, future formulation improvements and regulatory shifts could potentially open the door for OTC use, particularly in the wellness market. Reimbursement for Niagen IV is not standard, as it is primarily used for wellness and anti-aging purposes rather than the treatment of specific diseases. Consequently, patients typically pay out-of-pocket expenses. As scientific evidence expands, particularly in age-related or metabolic disease contexts, the reimbursement landscape may evolve. In conclusion, Niagen IV represents a promising innovation in NAD+ therapy, effectively addressing limitations associated with conventional NAD therapies. Its unique formulation, improved safety profile, shorter infusion time, and growing market footprint position it as a leader in the NAD therapy space. For investors, clinicians, and developers considering involvement, strategic monitoring of regulatory developments, reimbursement shifts, and clinical research outcomes will be crucial. This due diligence report is meant to be a primer for further research and analysis.